So do you want to know how to have a chat scene that looks like this and a game scene that looks like this with just one camera source? Well, there's good news. It's easy and it's free. So let's get into it. Hi, I'm Cadaver. I am a graphic designer and motion graphics artist, and I'm also a streamer. And I want to show you cheap and easy ways to make your stream look cool. So all we're going to be using today is a mask filter and a mask that you have saved to your computer. You can either make your own, which I have a video on, or you can go to my Discord and download some of the free masks I have in there. Now, before we go putting any of these masks on your camera, let me stop you and explain what we're doing here. We're not going to put the mask directly on the camera source. We're going to group it first. You're probably thinking, I can just apply this mask directly to my camera. What's the difference? Let me show you. If you apply a mask directly to your camera, it's going to apply it to every scene that source is in. So if you put a mask on your game scene, it's going to also affect your chat scene. What we want is to have separate looking cameras using the same camera source. So the way to do that is to group your camera in each scene. This allows you to place a filter directly on the group instead of on the individual source. So now you'll have a different looking camera in your chat scene and a different looking camera in your game scene. Simple as that. As an additional note, if you're gonna use a webcam frame or border, make sure that is outside of your masked group. Otherwise, the mask is going to crop out your border as well. If you have more questions or you need more help, you can @ me in Discord or on Twitter @ cadaver_x. I also stream on Twitch every Monday and Tuesday night at 8 p.m. So drop by, ask me questions, or just come say hi. Yeah, that's it. Bye, guys.